Hi guys, welcome to our channel Financeable. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Coinomi account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, just go to your default browser and search Coinomi login. Once you make search, just scroll down a little bit until you find sign in Coinomi. Just click here. Now, as you can see, you are already redirected to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your credentials, which includes your email and your password. In case you forgot your password, you can click here. If not, then just sign in. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.